It's Friday night. You call me crying, and I know what you say, 'cause I hear it every once in a while. You say it's been rough, you just wanna get drunk. You say come on over, babe, let's drink the pain away with your love. You let me like moonshine, only sip me on those hard nights, 'cause you know I'll be by your side, dear. Sometimes I'll be your moonshine, I'll be your moonshine. Beers for the bar, whiskey's too dark. You need something to take away the pain and all the hate in your heart. You say we ain't right, it's just not our time. Somehow all those feelings go away when we start getting them shine high. Yeah, you let me like moonshine, only sip me on those hard nights, 'cause you know I'll be by your side, dear. Sometimes I'll be your moonshine, only sip me on those hard nights, 'cause you know I'll be by your side, dear. Sometimes I'll be your moonshine, I'll be your moonshine. Beers for the bar, whiskey's too dark. You need something to take away the pain and all the hate in your heart. You say we ain't right, it's just not our time. Somehow all those feelings go away when we start getting them shine high. Yeah, you let me like moonshine, only sip me on those hard nights, 'cause you know I'll be by your side, dear. Sometimes I'll be your moonshine. I know you don't love me the same, I know I'm always gonna be your safe place, just like a hangover pass. Wish the love